this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change music in Gacha Life 2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Changing the music is extremely simple. You will be able to change the song that plays on the lobby, and you have 6 options to pick from. Weirdly enough, it is not going to be done under these settings, so if you go over to the options, you won't find it here. You can increase or decrease the volume, but to actually change the song, you have to go over to the background menu. When you access background, you can change between all of these backgrounds, of course, as you might already know, but most importantly, right below it, you will have 6 different lobby musics. You can even mute it altogether if you prefer. Sadly, I am not recording this video with audio, so you won't be able to listen to them. I apologize. But if you open your own Gacha Life 2 application and you go into the background window, you can change the lobby music freely. So you can mix and match. You can do a specific lobby music for a specific background if it fits it better, and it is going to be applied right away. And like I said before, you can also go over to the settings and decrease or increase the volume. Now, I'm not sure if you can add custom songs to Gacha Life 2. I don't think that is possible according to all the research that I've done, but if you know of a method, let us know in the comment section below. Either way, changing the lobby music is incredibly simple and it is going to work on any version of the game. This will work for mobile and PC. So go over to the background and choose the lobby music here according to your preferences. It is going to be applied right away regardless of the background that you choose to use. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you change the music in Gacha Life 2, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.